Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about writing skills. In writing skills, the student has to attempt 4 questions: 4A, 4B, 4C and 4D. Each one carries 4 marks, so in total you have 16 marks for writing skills. In this video I am going to talk about 4C, and in that I will talk about speech. So how to write speech? There are 2 marks which you get for logical sequence of ideas, 1 mark for the introduction and 1 for the conclusion. Now what are the tips? In the beginning, the speaker should greet the chief guest, speakers and the listeners. Start with a catchy introduction in the form of quotation, statistical data or a thought-provoking rhetorical question. Use the word you. In the middle part, he should speak about the occasion and then give 3 to 4 sound arguments and develop them. Certain points should be emphasized. In the end, one should speak few words of encouragement, sum up by giving valuable suggestions, measures to improve the situation or your personal observations. Speech should have clarity of thought and accuracy of facts and good content. Students, sometimes the hints are given, sometimes the hints are not given, and you have to write speech in about 100 to 150 words only. Now the first one which I have taken is write a short speech to be delivered in your college on tree conservation on the occasion of the World Earth Day with the help of the following points. Now in the answer, students, I have used more than 150 words. There is a very sound reason for it. There are certain points which you will like, so you would like to write those points. There are certain points which you may not like. So keeping that in mind, I have written this answer which is around 300 words. You have to see what is convenient for you and then jot down those points. The second one I have written on speech on eye donation. This is also lengthy. Here also you will jot down those points only which you like. The rest you can omit, and please write your answer in 100 to 150 words only, not more than that. The third topic which I have taken is speech on blood donation. Students, this is also more than 150 words. It's around 300 words. You please go through it, see what you like, the points which you don't like. So include only those points which you like and make it of 150 words. Thank you, students.